Are you ready to take control of your financial future by monetizing your writing skills? Whether you're a creative storyteller, a technical writer, or someone just looking for a flexible side hustle, this video is your ultimate guide to earning real money online through writing in 2025, all without any upfront investment. In this video, I'll cover the top websites and platforms that pay for online writing, step-by-step guidance on getting started without spending a penny, proven strategies to build a sustainable income stream. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tips and tricks on how to earn money online, grow your skills, and unlock your financial potential. Now, let's get started. The internet is filled with opportunities for writers, but finding legitimate, high-paying platforms can feel overwhelming. Here are some standout options. Freelance marketplaces. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients who need blog posts, articles, or even ghostwritten books. Content websites. Sites like Medium Partner Program or Hub Pages pay writers for their content based on views and engagement. Niche-specific opportunities. If you specialize in a topic like tech, health, or finance, check out platforms that cater to these industries. Many pay premium rates for expertise. I'll walk you through how to create profiles on these platforms, find your first gig, and build a steady stream of clients. One of the biggest barriers to entry is the misconception that you need expensive tools or advanced qualifications to start earning online. That's not true. Create a free portfolio. Use free tools like Google Docs or Canva to showcase your work. Even if you're just starting, write a few samples on topics you're passionate about. Use free platforms to gain experience. Websites like Text Broker or iWriter allow beginners to take small gigs to build confidence and skills. Learn on the go. You don't need to spend money on fancy courses. Free online resources and communities, such as Reddit forums or YouTube tutorials, are great places to pick up tips and tricks. The key to succeeding as an online writer isn't just about landing gigs. It's about standing out and growing over time. Here's how. Focus on quality. Clients value consistent, well-researched work. Deliver above expectations to build lasting relationships. Specialize. Over time, focus on niches you're passionate about. This not only improves your earnings but also helps establish you as an expert. Keep learning. Trends in writing and content creation change frequently. Stay updated on SEO, content marketing, and other skills that boost your value. Market yourself. Leverage social media and LinkedIn to showcase your skills and attract clients. Combine income streams. Don't stick to just one platform. Diversify your income by exploring multiple opportunities, like affiliate marketing or self-publishing ebooks. Network. Join writing communities online to share experiences, get feedback, and discover hidden opportunities. Make sure to check the description box below for links to all the websites and tools I mentioned in this video. You'll also find templates to help you get started, step-by-step guides, and more. If this video has been helpful, take a moment to subscribe and share it with your friends who might be looking for ways to make money online. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I post new content, packed with actionable advice for freelancers, side hustlers, and entrepreneurs. Got questions or feedback? I'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll respond personally to help you succeed. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, every great journey starts with a single step. You've got this. See you in the next video.